YouTube is robbing you and you could do something to stop it, it's in the educational community and it's your duty to stop it. Here's the thing, folks. I think YouTube is taking advantage of the educational community by not doing something, and I think you can help. Now, here's exactly what I mean. Smart people watching YouTube get their share of entertainment, but they also get their share of financial advice from YouTube. Whether the people are financial advisors or not, it doesn't matter. There's so many great and excellent insights out there, and I absolutely love that about YouTube, and that's why I love sharing information as well. But YouTube is failing us. It's facilitating the theft of money from people who work so hard for their funds to try to invest it back into themselves to get ahead. And that's not fair. We've got to change that. Here's what I mean. On YouTube, almost all credibility comes from a subscriber count. The greater a subscriber count, the more momentum there is generally for that channel and the more credibility grows without necessarily real credibility to back that up. And that's okay, that is just the nature of YouTube. Generally, we think that bad content on YouTube just won't get more subscribers. But unfortunately, that's not the case. Thanks to the way advertising on YouTube works, a YouTube channel could in theory advertise, and their subscriber count kind of happens to exponentially go up over time. So longer channels have a dramatic edge when it comes to being on that exponential slope of growth, without necessarily establishing credibility early on. This means that the impression of credibility remains virtually unchecked. I've been known to make some exposed videos, and generally my exposed videos are lighthearted and very humorous in such a way that I overall like the creator that I'm talking about and sort of adding perspective to or adding another dimension to what they're saying. But I took that a little bit too far in the last exposed video I did, and so we've taken that one down because I realized it's not my fault or my job to expose that certain creators who are able to sell courses that may not be as reputable as they should be, or content that may not be as credible as it should be. It's not my problem. My goal is to share constant and valuable information with you. But I think together we can change this problem. So here's what I'm proposing. We need to get together and encourage YouTube to create a YouTube store. That's kind of like an Amazon store or an iTunes app store or whatever, so that people can submit their courses, their merchandise, whatever it is they want to sell, so that the public, the community, can review this as a verified purchaser, similar to what Amazon does online with a little verified purchaser check mark. It's an awesome system. It's gained a lot of trust, and it's one that we should really encourage YouTube to develop for us. Now, I know there are going to be two reactions to this right out of the gate. One is, well, wait a minute, YouTube's just going to take a fee, and that's bad. And number two is, well, if buyers are so stupid and just buy from sources that aren't credible, then that's their problem, right? Buyer beware, right? And here's my response to that. Number one, I think a centralized platform for education sources where people can actually rank products would be so crucial for our community, so that people can really incentivize and push ahead the products that are extremely useful and that have proven results and have the best reviews. Now we can also have a consistent return policy for these programs, which will actually enable more buyers to enter the market of purchasing courses. So the quality content producers will probably end up selling more courses to offset any kind of YouTube fee or YouTube cut, because now it's all in one centralized platform, and the community, our society, gets to determine which get pushed. So I think that's going to be incredible for sales in the long run. And I think it's a complete disservice to say that, buyer beware. Because if the community, if consumers are getting scammed, then it's the consumers as a whole, the community, the society as a whole, that needs to stand together and create a platform for doing what's right. And thus, we need the YouTube store. Let me know what you think about this idea. It's been bugging me for a while. I think it's extremely important. If you like this idea, put it out there, share it, email people, send it to people, get the message out there. We need a YouTube store. I'm not making bad exposed videos anymore. I'm still gonna make exposed videos, but they're gonna be nice exposed videos. Because in reality, I still like sharing perspective, and that's what I'm gonna continue doing. Share perspective about real estate, our family, our investing career, what it is, what we do, and the companies that we're building and developing. Thanks for watching.